Hey everyone, it's J-GraceCoder here. If you've ever felt stuck learning HTML and CSS because all you see are boring, tiny examples, don't worry. Today, I am giving you a sneak peek of 2 real-world projects you will actually build in my upcoming HTML and CSS course. Ready for this? Let's jump in. First up, our very own Twitter clone. Why Twitter? Because it's the perfect challenge to learn practical layout and responsiveness. You know the tweets feed, the sidebar with trending topics. There is so much structure going on. We will start from the very basic HTML scaffold to set up everything. Then we will dive into CSS to style the layout, making sure it's responsive on mobile, tablet, and desktop. So by the end, you will know how to use Flexbox or CSS Grid to align all these elements perfectly. We will even cover how to add icons and tweak styles so it feels like a real Twitter feed. What's awesome is that you can customize this clone any way you like. Turn it into your own personal dev blog or rebrand it into a micro social media site for your friends. Trust me, once you see how the basics work, you will get tons of ideas. Next, we will build a fully responsive website for Bright Future Academy. I chose a school website scenario because it covers so many real-world features. Think about the typical pages a small business or organization needs: a header with a logo, a clean menu, a hero section with a big image, sections for important info. We will focus on semantic HTML so your site is organized and accessible. Then we will use CSS to create a cohesive design and adapt it for mobile versus desktop. We will add media queries so everything looks amazing on a phone or a giant monitor. By the time we are done, you will have a professional looking website you can actually show off in your portfolio. Seriously, you can take the same structure and apply it to any small business or non-profit website project. So why build these 2 projects? Because they are practical, portfolio ready, and fun. You are not just memorizing random code, you are learning how HTML and CSS work together in real life layouts. By building the Twitter clone, you will master building out structured multi-column designs. With Bright Future Academy school websites, you will tackle a full site approach: navigation, forms, hero sections, responsive media queries, accessibility, semantic design, and more. That means by the end of this course, you will have the foundational skills to handle almost any basic clients or personal project. If you are tired of feeling lost or hopping from one random tutorial to another, this is your chance to learn HTML and CSS in a way that truly sticks. I am dropping the full course soon, complete with in-depth walkthroughs, code examples, and plenty of practice. So make sure you are subscribed and turn on notifications, because I promise you won't want to miss it. Let's finally get hands-on with real projects that level up your skills for 2025 and beyond. I am J-GraceCoder. Thanks for hanging out, and I will see you in the next video. One love.